Call it Park Bubba Sparks.
Booty, 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 rockin' everywhere. Booty, booty.
Short. Hey, I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to do it. We made it, bro.
Alright, so y'all, I'm going to attempt to try to make the teriyaki chicken inside of a pineapple. So it's going to be a pineapple bowl. Make sure y'all stay tuned. We had the chicken marinated for about an hour and 30 minutes now. I kind of got behind time. I usually like let my stuff marinate for at least about 4 to 5 hours to the most 6 hours. But I made breakfast earlier, so it's okay. We're gonna get right into it. So this is my first time making this, so hopefully it turned out right. I have made teriyaki chicken before, but not inside a pineapple bowl, so let's see how it comes out. All right, I'm gonna start seasoning up my chicken. I'm gonna use this first. So I have my seasonings right here. I'm gonna go ahead and use, because we're gonna let it marinate for a little minute, I'm gonna use some of this because this is the best marinating sauce that I like to use. I'm gonna use just a little bit. Just a little bit. Alright. Use just a little bit of dill sauce. We're gonna use some Old Bay, be more, what it is, be more. You know me, you know I love this. See, I like my chicken seasoned. This is what's gonna do its thing, but if you don't have it kind of marinate a little bit, you just kind of taste all types of stuff, you feel me? So I'm trying to work on seasoning a lot more better too, so that's why I don't mind seasoning this pretty decent how I want it. But again, use your own type of seasonings, the better, you know, because half of the time when we try seasonings that's on certain people's videos, it don't come out right. I don't know, I think it's just me sometimes, but it don't come out right. And I like for my stuff to come out pretty decent. Like me. Garlic powder. I'll use some of this, but it's just a tad bit of seasoned salt. And I'm gonna add a pinch of this. Beef. And just a little bit of mustard. I have my chicken right there, and then right here is going to be what I make the teriyaki sauce. So I'm going to show you guys ahead of time of what I'm going to be using. I'm going to use some red chili, ginger, white sesame seed, that's going to go on top of the chicken as well, brown sugar, ACV, pure sesame oil, teriyaki marinade sauce. We're also going to use some honey. If you're here in Florida, you know, you know. I'm going to use some of this sauce, of course some garlic, and some spring onions. So that's what's going to go into that bowl. And then just to make it simple, most people, now usually I make my rice from scratch, but I'm going to use the bag rice this time. So we're going to just kind of do something basic. And then I have my pineapple way over here, and we're just going to cut that in half and see how it turns out. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. chicken is marinated. Now it's about to go into the pot. As you guys can see, all that good seasoning. Let's get it in. Soaked up so much, I went ahead and drained it. And we're gonna bring that chicken right on back over there because we want it fried harder. We want it right. See that juice in there? On this back. We're gonna let that fry harder. And we're gonna let that fry harder. Ooh, that's good. Still let it brown up, but it's definitely looking good. Our rice is complete. I just gotta cut out this pineapple and we're looking good. So when cutting this out, I am just going to literally just go boom, 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 gut it out, boom. Have it, you guys, your own pineapple bowl. I basically had just scraped some of the most I could out of it, but it wasn't as hard. You can tell these are two different sizes. This one is a lot more smaller than that one, but it's base size and it is perfect. I set it on some napkins just to kind of drain that out a little bit. So I know a couple of y'all probably wondering what did I do with the guts as far as for the pineapples. I kept them right here. I'll always just freeze them, probably save them for a smoothie, but these are really good and juicy, you guys. I did not put any pineapples inside of the stuff. So this is the rice, of course, still came out just as perfect. This is just for anybody who doesn't want to cook any rice. For the most part, I just figured I would do a video like this, but you can do it homemade or put it in the rice cooker. And then this is our teriyaki chicken. Oh my goodness, you guys, it looks so good. Yes. And I didn't go heavy with the onions and green peppers. Usually I put that in almost every meal I eat, but I didn't put it in this one. Just gonna top it off with some sesame seeds and also some green onions. I put the rice in here, so the rice is gonna go first. I just packed it in there as much as I could, and I'm gonna flip it. So let's get right into it. So this is gonna be the one that I start off with. Again, we're gonna start off with the rice. In order to get the rice right, I feel like I gotta have this kneaded first. So we're gonna have this right here, and then we're gonna flip. Trust me, y'all, it's gonna work. Look at that. Okay. Keep packing it on until we say it's enough. Brush it a little bit with some green onions. Sesame seeds. And there you guys have it. Teriyaki pineapple bowl. I'm gonna get the juice and all that on there. I'm about to get messy with this.
I'm gonna taste some one more time. There's some pineapple on it.
Some pineapple on it. Don't mess up the tower.
Sit down. Delicious. Oh!
Don't look like, yeah, you forgot about me, man. I think it was good.
Yeah, that shit delicious, man.